capture this precious moment. Weenie is getting her first dye job.
Speak correct hair lingo.
I'm sorry.
Have gray hair.
Highlights. She's getting some highlights.
Thank you. She get her weave.
Get her hair did. Kim's not okay with it? We told her to get over it. She's a sophomore. She has boobs.
My dad said yes.
And she likes boys.
But she's getting old.
She's getting old. So old, she's the first 14-year-old with gray hair.
You bleach your hair? No.
No, like next.
Do you want to be?
I'm sorry, you're touching the way, Mom.
How are you feeling, Weenie? You feeling liberated?
You
You feel old? I want you to know that by putting this on your hair, you realize that to the day you die now, you have to keep it up.
No.
It's not true, Talia. Unless your hair falls out like mine,
You can
you
always
don't have
color
to
it your
maintain
natural
it.
color. She's lying. It's bad for business when she says that.
It's funny.
And the boys entertaining themselves.
Okay, do it again. Hide your face.
You've got quite enough going on there.
I am with Faldo.
There's Sam.
Randy.
Got some stickers.
I am
Judy and Uncle Randy.
School tomorrow.
Kids.
Can I have some moisture?
And the stickers on my back.
Sulfate free, what is this supposed to do?
Take out like the chlorine.
Still Magnolia Day.
Oh, that's good.
That's what I need.
We do everything.
That's a really weird package.
Yeah. We'll come back for the done product.
Earthly Botan.
After.